Hey there, chocolate lovers! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things delicious. Today, we're diving into the world of baking with a product that's essential for every brownie enthusiast out there. 365 by Whole Foods Market Organic Cocoa Powder. If you're on the quest for the best cocoa powder for brownies, look no further. This cocoa powder from 365 by Whole Foods Market is your golden ticket to achieving those rich, decadent brownies that'll have your taste buds dancing. Let's break down what makes this cocoa powder a must-have for your pantry. First off, it's organic, which means it's sourced from fair trade cocoa beans and processed with care to maintain its quality and flavor. Whether you're whipping up a batch of classic fudgy brownies, experimenting with a flourless chocolate cake, or adding a chocolatey twist to your morning smoothie, this cocoa powder delivers on both taste and quality. Don't just take my word for it, though. Let's hear what some fellow chocolate aficionados have to say about this product. Customers rave about its intense chocolate flavor, smooth texture, and versatility in various recipes. From chia seed pudding to hot cocoa, the possibilities are endless with this cocoa powder. Now, let's talk nutrition. With only 10 calories per serving and 0 added sugars, this cocoa powder is a guilt-free addition to your favorite treats. And did I mention it's USDA organic and kosher certified? That means you can trust that you're getting a product made with high-quality ingredients and ethical practices. So, if you're ready to take your brownie game to the next level, be sure to grab a container of 365 by Whole Foods Market Organic Cocoa Powder. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tasty reviews. Until next time, happy baking!